Okay, you guys, so I managed to score this ThredUp 15-piece jewelry box for under $2. So if you want to see what I got in this box, keep on watching. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived in my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark. I do sometimes list on Mercari and Depop, and I sell locally at an antique mall, also that me and my daughter can travel the world as often as possible. And if you're new here, I have a serious ThredUp addiction. So this is a 15-piece jewelry box from ThredUp. I have not gotten this in quite a long time, and I've only gotten, I think, 2 or 3 of these, but most of them have done pretty well for me. I still have like a couple stragglers that haven't sold from, I think, 2 of the boxes. One I completely sold through. So yeah, they're pretty good for me. They do cost normally $54, I believe. It says $48 actually on here. And I ordered this on January 25th. Yes, we're in March. It's been sitting for quite a while. It came from Pennsylvania, but the best part about this box specifically is that I happen to use $50 of my ThredUp Ambassador credits from posting once a month on Instagram and tagging them. I will leave the link to the video on how you can apply to be one in the description. I try to put it on all of my ThredUp unboxings. So I paid $1.36 for these 15 pieces of jewelry. So I definitely should be able to make quite a bit of profit. Here's what the inside looks like. Do have some bubbles, which I am in always dire need of bubbles. So I also have a loop here and a ring sizer just in case there's any rings in here. So after taking out the bubbles, this looks pretty sad. It's just a single package, but that's totally fine. Yeah, so let's dig in here and see what we got. Now, I will preface this by saying I don't know much about jewelry at all whatsoever. I can distinguish between necklaces and bracelets and earrings and rings, but that's about it. So if you're looking for someone who's super knowledgeable, I'm not your girl, but I will at least show you what I have. And if you have any, you know, experience with these brands or items that I'm showing you, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I would love that. Okay, so the first piece is a necklace. This is what it looks like. It's a nice statement necklace. Let's see if I can find a brand on here. This looks like Banana Republic. So I have sold a few pieces of Banana Republic. It's gold tone, so that's piece number 1. Okay, this looks promising. This looks like a Pandora bracelet. I don't know if Pandora still sells for good money. I know it used to in like the Y2K era when my mom used to collect them, but this is just a basic bracelet. And it has the Pandora here. No charms or anything. I know the charm bracelets used to be really popular, so I don't know what something like this might go for, but that's piece number 2. Piece number 3 is Nua tags, which is great. It does have something on it, so I don't know if I can maybe get that off. It is from J. Crew. I like selling J. Crew jewelry. I don't really pick it up much in the clothing world, but this was $34.50, and it looks like it's zip tied to this bangle. So I don't know if that's originally how the tag came. And it's like a plasticky, kind of supposed to look like enamel, I would imagine. And this is what the flower looks like. But you can see here, there's something on this petal, this pink one, so I'm gonna see if I can try to get that off. And I'm not gonna, oh, I guess it does go on my wrist. So that's number 3. I think I usually get exactly 15 in these. So this one says 1928 on the tag. Don't quite know what 1928 is. This is another necklace, a little more dainty than the first one. And here's what this one looks like. This one's kind of like a coppery tone, but it's definitely fairly tarnished. But yeah, it's cute. And I will definitely see if my daughter wants any of these pieces before I list them. So nothing will have been listed because I'm filming this probably on the day, if not the day before it's gonna go up, so. All right, we have a set of 2 bangles. Do you have a brand anywhere? I don't see one. Don't see a brand. But here's what they look like. They're both the same. Be good to, I guess, stack together. That's number 5. All right, we got some earrings from J. Crew. Everything's individually bagged, which is nice because I will use those when I sell the pieces. I'll just keep them in these little baggies. These have these adorable little pom-poms on them. Again, from J. Crew, like I said. Gold tone, I think, yeah, with little red pom-poms. It doesn't have the price on here, but they are new on the card at least, or appear to be new. Next we have some stud earrings. Let's see. I don't see a brand. That's totally fine. Sometimes if they're like cheaper pieces of jewelry, like costume jewelry or unbranded, I will put them in my booth, and I do have a lot of success selling jewelry in my booth. So these are gold tone with like a gray crystal stone. Might be hard to see. That's those. I'll put those up here. That's number 7, I think. More earrings. And let's see, do you have a brand? They don't feel the best, to be honest. And I don't see a brand, but they are hoop earrings. I don't know if this still qualifies as a hoop because it's not a full circle. You guys let me know. Again, I am not the best at describing jewelry. I just like to sometimes list it in my closet because people seem to like it, so it brings people in. But yeah, unbranded gold hoopy earrings. That's 8. This looks like a set of earrings. I thought it was a necklace because they're like very long dangly earrings. And no brand on these. I'll just show you one because it'll be easier. This is what they look like, if I can get it to work. Very boho silver tone with a yellow stone in the center. Okay, moving on. More earrings. These are on the card. These are from KM, I think that's a Q collection. And these look like little rocks that were made into earrings. These are fun. These will probably be a booth item. Again, more earrings. Pinky Auto. Never heard of that. Don't know if this is something or not. They don't appear to be anything. They're very cheaply made, it looks like. But this is what they look like. These are a fully closed hoop, but it's not exactly a perfect circular shape. Oh, we have a ring, so I can use my ring sizer. Oh, I just broke the bag. That's fine. I'll salvage it. All right, so let me put this on. It looks like it's a 7.5, 8. I just slid down a little bit more, but here's what the ring looks like. And let's see if it has a brand. I don't see anything on the inside, so just an unbranded gold. It's kind of like more brassy ring. All right, just 3 left. This one is Loft. It is new, $34.50. And it's a multicolor necklace. Has blue tones at the bottom. Hopefully you guys can see it. Looks like it's not focusing the best. See if I can get it to focus a little bit better. Come on. I think that's better. Okay. Then we go into a like seafoam green, and then we have like a neutral off-white. It still looks a little unfocused, so I am sorry, but this is what it looks like. Again, $34.50 from Loft. Last 2. This one says Express. I have gotten quite a few pieces from Express in these boxes in the past. Let's see if I can get it to show correctly. It has all these triangle shapes, and some of them have this little embellishment here. So that's this one from Express. And last but not least, I don't think I can read that. Hold on. E Pearl Sterling. That's what it looks like. I don't know if I'm reading the E part right, but I can definitely read the pearl and the sterling. So I'm guessing this is maybe sterling silver. I don't see any pearls on it, so maybe I was mistaken with the pearl, but this is what it looks like. A pretty little silver flower at the end of a very super dainty chain. So I'll have to do some more digging on this one. But again, like I said, it kind of looks like it said E, pearl, and then sterling. So let's count them up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm guessing this is 5 and not 5 and 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 for these little studs, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So yeah, like I said, exactly 15 pieces. So if I had to pick a favorite, I guess maybe this one, the possibly E, or maybe it stands for East Pearl Sterling Silver one. I like that one. I also do like these bangles, the set of 2. So let me know what you thought of this box. Obviously, it's gonna be a profit for me having paid under $2 for 15 pieces of jewelry. I'm not concerned at all that I'm going to have trouble selling these items and not make my money back on this box because of the cost I paid. If I paid the full $48 or 50 something dollars, whatever it is, I still probably would have been satisfied with this. I am curious about this Pandora because I know Pandora can sell really well, so I have to do some research into this. And yeah, we have a few earrings that'll probably go into my antique booth. And yeah, I'm happy with this box. So let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Maybe let me know what your favorite piece was, but that's it for this 15-piece jewelry unboxing from ThredUp. Again, this one was from Pennsylvania, Mechanicsburg. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from me. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here in my weird little family on the internet, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.